What's up guys, today we're going to install a reverse lockout for the S550. First step, you want to make sure you remove your shift knob. Alright, next you want to lift up on this trim. There's a little piece right here that you want to get out of the way. This can be a little difficult. You just want to pry and just work your way around it. Next you want to take off your trim and your shift boot along with your reverse lockout. So on this S550 it has a Steeda shifter. So this has 3 set screws. On the OEM shifter you will have 3 tabs to pry at with a flathead screwdriver. OEM reverse lockout is prone for failure due to the fact that it is made out of plastic. A lot of times with extreme heat the glue will separate and then your reverse lockout will fail, not allowing you to get into reverse. Once you have your shifter boot out, you're going to want to look at the back of the reverse lockout and pry at the bottom half of your OEM reverse lockout. This one has been already taken apart. You basically want to snap this off. This is a difficult process and you just got to be careful of ripping your boot. Once your OEM reverse lockout is taken apart, you're going to want to make adjustments to your shift boot. You're going to want to put a little sliver on here, a little cut, so that way you are able to fit your Raceseng reverse lockout on. Once your reverse lockout is snug, I'll run a zip tie right along this groove. And this is a low profile zip tie we provide you guys with. If you have an OEM shifter, you're going to want to take your reverse lockout after the boot is installed and snap it into your OEM shifter. On the Steeda shifter, you're going to want to set your screws or tighten your set screws. You're going to want to pop down your plastic trim. Best practice is to set it into reverse and set your shift knob from there. That way your reverse lockout can have enough distance to travel to reverse. If your shift knob is having issues going into reverse and your reverse lockout isn't reaching the height of engaging reverse, you're going to want to adjust your set screw on your adapter. Bam! Alright guys, this concludes the video. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. If you do have any questions, please feel free to contact info@raceseng.com. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Enjoy the drive.